Magandang araw po. Welcome po to my YouTube channel, JD's Automart, where we buy and sell only quality used cars. Meron po tayong bagong dating na unit, fresh 2020 Toyota Wigo TRD-S, top of the line. Marami po itong added features compared sa usual na G variant. Tulad po ng power folding side mirrors and push start button, and also meron po siyang factory installed na mga TRD-S stickers, and also TRD rear spoiler. Meron na rin po siyang reversing camera, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Available po itong unit natin for only 460,000 pesos. Negotiable pa po. Also, financing is available for as low as 20% down payment and up to 4 years to pay. Maganda po itong unit. Sariwa po siya. Odometer is only 55,000 for almost 5 years old vehicle, and also well maintained po ito from the first owner. First owner is Toyota Aisin from Laguna, and so that we can assure that this vehicle has been well maintained. Yun lamang po. Marami pong salamat. Mag-subscribe po kayo sa aking channel for future updates. Thank you so much po.